Hello and welcome to the Northern Kentucky University Career Services video on how to use InterviewStream. To begin, you want to go to the website one.nku.edu. Once you are on this website, in the search bar, you want to search for InterviewStream. Once you've selected InterviewStream, then you'll select the InterviewStream widget. This will launch the system. If you've not logged in for the day, it will have you enter your NKU username and password. Once you're on the site, you'll want to select Conduct an Interview. This will then give you two options. You can either complete a custom interview where you get to choose from thousands of questions to customize your own interview based on your career and major interests, or you can select an interview that's been created for you. For this demonstration, we're going to look at the Created For Me option. Once you select this option, all of the options will populate on the screen. You will notice that some are general interviews, like an accounting interview, a resident assistant interview, or a science research interview, while others are designed for specific classes, such as Management 490 or Business 201. You'll see that some of the interviews give you the option to view the questions before you begin the interview. This allows you to prepare for the interview a little bit more in depth and to feel as confident as possible going into your recorded interview. You can then either start the interview from this page, or you can start the interview from this widget. When you click Start the Interview, your system is going to take you through a series of hardware checks. You'll see on the screen it's asking me to speak loudly into a microphone. Once I've completed that task, it'll give me a next button so that I can move on to the next screen. My system now tells me that I'm ready to begin my interview. Once I select Proceed to my interview, instructions will begin on the screen.
Hi, and welcome to InterviewStream. Your interview will begin shortly. Please remember to speak clearly, look forward, smile, and relax.
You'll now hear the first question.
Tell me about yourself.
You'll see there's a countdown on the screen from 5, getting you ready for the interview. You then have the opportunity to record your answer. When you finish recording, you can click anywhere within the square to end your recording. You then have 3 options. You can either review your interview, select retry, or continue to the next question. I would always encourage you to review your answer to make sure it comes across like you would like. You do have, in this particular example, 3 retries. Other interviews offer different numbers, so make sure that you know going into the interview how many that you have. When you're satisfied with your answer, you'll select Continue to go to the next question.
Tell me about the best supervisor you've worked under.
Again, we get the countdown on the screen that will prompt us when we can begin recording our answer. Notice that when the countdown ends, the screen goes blank. This is to prepare you for an actual video interview where you're not watching yourself, but should be looking at the camera to make the best eye contact possible with those who are interviewing you. Again, when you're finished recording, you'll click anywhere in the box to end the recording. You will continue to do this through each of the questions, remembering to review each of your answers and retry as necessary. At the end of the interview, you'll be given 4 different options that you can choose from. If you click View Interview, then you can go back and review your entire interview by clicking on each individual question, which will then play in the preview window, or you can share your interview with others. If you select Share, then you have the option to email it to someone to practice so that they can review it, or you can click on the link, which will generate a link that you can send to someone to directly link them to your interview. As always, if you have questions, please contact NKU Career Services by email at careerservices@nku.edu or by phone at 859-572-5680. Thank you so much and have a great day.